Really quickly, just going to run you through everything your sales and sales engineers are going to need to know to use Gitbit. So we're going to go to gitbit.org. We're going to click Partner Login. Here's where you're going to log in with your Microsoft 365 credentials. And then you're going to come into the dashboard. Dashboard's going to have a few things here. Number one, it's going to have this client report link. This is the link for that particular engineer or sales member. They're going to just copy that link. They're going to send this link to any prospects they want to run the report. They can email it, they can put it on their social media, they can share it, they can shrink it, doesn't matter. It's just a regular old link. So the prospect is going to then follow that link, and it's just going to take them to their log on. They're going to sign on with their admin credentials, and then they're going to accept the permissions. Permissions do not have any data access. You cannot read or write their data. It just has access to basically metadata. So the user's name, the licenses, their last log on, that kind of information. They're going to click accept, and then they're going to see this. Thanks, the report is being generated. They're now done. They can just close their report. Once the prospect runs the report, the sales engineer or the member of your sales team is going to come in here. They're just going to click on the report that they want to look at, and they're going to see everything that they need to see. So they're going to see the total licenses here. There's 25 total licenses. 32% on this tenant can actually be removed. So they're actively using 17. So 17 of those 25 licenses are being used, and you want to keep them there. 2 of the licenses are assigned to disabled accounts. Disabled accounts do not need licenses. Migrate the data off those users and then remove those licenses. 5 of those licenses are assigned to inactive users. Inactive users are users that haven't logged in for over 30 days. It's 20% of the environment here. And then 1 is unassigned. So an unassigned license is a license that's sitting in the environment, that's not being used, it's not assigned to anybody. You can actually remove those licenses. Microsoft does charge you for having those licenses available to you, but you're not using them. So you can actually remove those licenses too. Here you can see just a pretty little chart with all the licenses. And then we're going to break down every last license type they have. So this environment only has Microsoft 365 Business Premium, no Teams. So you scroll down a little bit more, you can see a table here. So these are the users that you can actually remove the licenses from. This report is easily printable. You can just right click, go print. You can save it as PDF. You can see it's already beautifully done, so you can hand this right off to the prospect, make it very easy on you. You can also download it as a CSV. That's pretty much it. To get started, you can try it for 30 days. Click Try Gitbit. It's going to take you to the Microsoft Marketplace. Click Get It Now. And it's just going to offer you the different plans. You just click Next. Then you're going to select how many users you want and just click Next. And then it's just going to ask you some basic billing information. This is all 100% through Microsoft, so you're not giving Gitbit any of your personal information. And then you just click Place Order. And then from here, you just click Configure SaaS Account. And then that's going to bring you right back to Gitbit. So all you need to do is just click first. You need to sign in to get started. It's going to bring you to the Microsoft 365 login screen, and it's going to bring you into your own partner dashboard.